Hey bag maker, I'm Sarah Lawson from So Sweetness, and I am so excited to introduce you to my 4 latest patterns. The PDF patterns include full color step-by-step instructions with a photograph for just about every step, and in the videos I walk you through the entire project from start to finish, including cutting out your pattern pieces, attaching your fabric to the interfacing, and finishing up the project up until the very end. The Chickadee Backpack features side slip pockets, grab handles at the top of the bag, and on the back of the bag there's also padded backpack straps, and these straps are adjustable. The front zipper pocket has plenty of storage space. There are slip pockets in the front, and then in the flap of this front pocket there is a mesh zippered pocket. The top of the bag is secured with a zipper, and the fun thing about this bag is there are metal frames at the top of the bag, and these metal frames are inserted when the bag is all finished, so the frames go in very last. On the inside of the bag there is a zipper pocket as well as mesh elastic pockets on either side, and then here's the other zipper. The Chickadee Backpack features full color step-by-step instructions with a photograph for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 2 hours and 34 minutes long. This is the Sky Harbor Tote, and it features hidden handles. So these handles give the strength of a handle that's attached all the way at the bottom of the bag, but without visually seeing the handles in the front. So they're hidden handles because the handle is woven against the wrong side of the exterior but still attached to the bottom of the bag. And if you'd like to, you can attach optional either Chicago screws or rivets for an extra little decorative element. And then on the sides of the bag, the sides feature a decorative zipper that's unzipped toward the bottom panel of the bag, and this gives you an extra opportunity to use an extra fabric that pairs well with your main fabric. The closure for this bag is a recessed zipper, and on the inside there are 2 different types of pockets. There's a slip pocket on this side, which is perfect for either a wallet or a cell phone, and then on the opposite side there is a zipper pocket. The Sky Harbor Tote features full color step-by-step instructions with a photograph for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 1 hour and 53 minutes long. The Starling bag is a fantastic bag to feature your favorite large-scale print, and it can be made in either fusible fleece or foam interfacing. So if you prefer a bag with a lot of structure, then foam interfacing is the choice for you, and if you like a softer, slouchier bag, then this hobo bag made in the fusible fleece will be the choice for that option. This bag features unique side zippers with a separate zipper pocket on either of the side edges, and a removable adjustable strap that is attached with swivel clips to the sides of the bag. This bag features a recessed zipper, and it has 1 zipper pocket in the lining of the bag, and let me just give you another close-up view of this side pocket. The Starling bag features full color step-by-step instructions with a photograph for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 1 hour and 25 minutes long. The Stingray bag comes in 2 different sizes, shoulder bag size and tote bag size, and it features unique vertical zippers that open up into a continuous pocket, and on the back of the front pocket there's a magnetic snap. As you can see, this front pocket in the bag is a great place to feature your favorite print. And here's a close-up view of those vertical zippers. As you can see, this is a continuous pocket. And then on the back of this front pocket, there is a magnetic snap. The back of the bag has a zipper pocket, and then the top closure is a recessed zipper. Inside the lining, there's a single zipper pocket, and the adjustable strap is attached to the front of the bag on one portion of the strap, and then the other side is attached to the back of the bag. The Stingray Bag features full color step-by-step instructions with a photograph for just about every step, and the video online workshop is 1 hour and 38 minutes long. If you love those projects, be sure to pick up your bundle now. It's at a $20 savings for a final cost of $40 for 4 PDF patterns and 4 videos. But the bundle is only available until October 6th, and then the bundle goes away forever. So grab your bundle and let's get sewing.